they'll be having, they'll be facing delays in certain things, right? And they'll be having lack of project visibility as well.
Yes.
So this is where our hero comes.
Yes.
Who's our hero?
Our hero is obviously Odoo,
Odoo.
and this unifies everything in a construction management.
So that's a great benefit, right?
Yeah.
Odoo being integrated can help to connect everything.
Yeah, so basically we can say that the Odoo system unifies all these modules, and you can manage your construction management very smoothly. From the ground view, the managers can easily get to know what are the delays that have taken place in a project, and what is the status of the milestone, how they just need to go with the billing or with the sales of this home construction. Everything can be managed with the project module.
Because Odoo has almost modules to manage everything, like each and everything which is required even for a business.
And
so that's the reason why it's called an ERP software.
Yes.
Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Tonic, powered by Cybrosys. This is your host Aishwarya and this is your co-host
Jarena.
So today in this video we'll be talking about
Construction management.
Yeah. So how can Odoo help a construction company, right? So how can Odoo help construction company?
So before talking about how to use Odoo for construction company, we need to know what are the challenges faced by a construction company if they are not using Odoo.
Yeah.
So the first thing is about the poor coordination of the team.
Coordination won't be there, right?
Yes. And they will be having difficulty in tracking and managing the materials.
Yeah.
And they will be finding delays in their bills or payments. So these are some of the few challenges that's faced by the construction company if they are not switching to Odoo.
Like I think there'll be a lot of challenges that they'll be facing. Like if not only Odoo, if they are not using any kind of softwares, then everything should be done manually, which is going to be a great mess.
Yes.
Right? And they'll be having, they'll be facing delays in certain things, right? And they'll be having lack of project visibility as well.
Yes.
So this is where our hero comes.
Yes.
Who's our hero?
Our hero is obviously Odoo, and this unifies everything in a construction management.
Yeah.
Like we can say that we'll be having a project module, and that will be integrated with the inventory module, purchase module, HR module.
So that's a great benefit, right?
Yeah.
Odoo being integrated can help to connect everything.
Yeah. So basically we can say that the Odoo system unifies all these modules, and you can manage your construction management very smoothly. And apart from this, we need to just talk about each module
that's those are required for the smooth functioning of this thing.
Yes, exactly.
So the very first thing is the project module.
Yes, project module is basically used for creating the project, and that will be tracking the timeline, budget,
like time sheet and all is connected with the project.
Yeah. And we can say that, let's imagine we have a construction of a home. Okay, so we'll be creating a task called home construction, and inside that we can create subtask. It can be the first task can be the foundation, setting of the foundation.
Like a subtask for subtask is also possible, right?
Yes,
task within a task,
task is possible.
Yeah.
So we know even if we are just managing with the foundation will be undergoing with different process. Because each time we just build a home, it will be different from one to another. So each have different entities, so those can be managed with the subtask. And another thing is that we can also just get to know what time is spent for a particular task.
Like so time recording the time.
Recording the time. So that will be connected to the timesheet, where we can also just manage with the milestone. Like if you are setting a particular allocated time to finish the work, within that we can also get to know what is the milestone, how far they have done their work, is there any delays in their work or not. So in the project itself, we have different views like the Gantt view. From the Gantt view, the managers can easily get to know what are the delays that have taken place in a project, and what is the status of the milestone, how they just need to go with the billing or with the sales of this home construction. Everything can be managed with the project module.
Oh my God.
And talking about the inventory module, we know during the construction of a particular building or anything, we need to manage the materials.
Yeah.
So to manage with the materials, we'll be using the inventory module.
Like from here, we can even track the movement of the stock, right?
Yeah, exactly. And there also comes the purchase module, because we need to purchase certain items, certain materials, and we need to keep the items in the stock. So the purchase will be automatically linked to the inventory module, where everything will be managed under the inventory. And we have the accounting module. That's
the important module.
Yes, and that automatically reflects all the cost and budget regarding the construction or the construction management. And finally, we can just track the project management and other tracking, like that shows every job as separate entity, as I just mentioned before. And there you will be getting a tracking phase. So whatever we are managing, that can be managed with the tracking. So that is the main advantages of using Odoo. So even if you are not just directly managing with the project, during the time of a sale, like let's imagine that we have just got a lead and directly we are moving it into a sale. So during that sale also, you can manage the sale by linking to the project module. Like let's say the home construction is a sale order that you're gonna create. So during that time, you'll be creating a product called home construction, and we have an option to create on project or task. So either we can just go with the creation of a project or with project and task. So directly from the sale order also, we can create the project and manage the project. So
these much are the basic modules that you'll require, and based on your requirement, modules can be added on, because Odoo has almost modules to manage everything, like each and everything which is required even for a business. So that's the reason why it's called an ERP software.
Yes, and we can say that this is also connected with the field service module, because the construction laborers are actually doing a field service. So if you want to manage any field service separately, or like any other things that related to a field service, these things will be linked to the field service module. And the main attraction is that we can track everything, because this will be connected to the HR module. From the HR module, we'll be getting the time off, the time sheet, the attendance,
employees,
employees, and there are
payroll and all.
Payroll. So from all these, we will be get to know that how we need to make the payment. Like it should be in wages, or like making the payment monthly or weekly, and everything can be just done from the payroll module. So basically, using Odoo, you can unify your business.
That's it.
Yeah.
Like a lot of things are taking place in a construction. Like if you are someone who owns a construction company and you're still sitting and doing everything manually, I suggest you to switch to Odoo, because everything can be handled easily, simultaneously. As you all know, this is integrated, which means it's interconnected to each another module, and this will actually make their work pretty much easier, right?
Yeah.
So that's the main thing. Then what do we have?
And we need to talk about the costing and budget control.
Yeah.
So actually the costing and budget control will be managed under the accounting module, because under the accounting module, we have an option to manage the budget. So whenever we create a budget, we'll be getting the option to manage the budget from a vendor bill or from the sale order. So in this case, the management of the budget is through the purchase, right? So we'll be linking the budget to a vendor bill, and we'll be managing the cost and all other things. And we know in case of the budget management, there comes a subcontractor who manages the bills there, right? So we can also manage the subcontractors with the purchase orders and what are materials are taken. So that's all we'll be managing under the budget and cost.
Like it comes under the accounting, right? So not only these much things, in accounting itself, we have a lot of reports that can help to, track everything that is happening regarding the accounting of your construction company. So that is the costing and budget control. Then we have the materials. I think we've already talked about it. Materials and subcontractor management. So that can also be easily managed using Odoo. Okay, so then other than that, we have the reporting and insights. You all know what reporting is. Basically, it gives you an idea about what is happening inside your construction company. Like you will need to, based on the data that is, or the operations that is taking place inside the company, you will get an insight of what is happening. Okay, so based on the sales, there'll be a reporting for the sales, there'll be a reporting for the purchase. For accounting, you have several reports. Even in project also, there is a report, right?
Even you can get the employee metrics, like the cost that you spend, the budget, the delay that has made, the milestone, everything. You will be getting every measures that you're taking place in a construction management. Not only in construction management, right now we are just speaking about the construction management using Odoo. And even if you don't have sufficient features within the built-in functionalities, you can just go ahead with the customization. So these are the built-in features that are available in Odoo. But if you want to add more features, it's pretty easy to add with the company Cybrosys, because we are here to help you.
So yeah, I'm taking this opportunity to say that we are doing this implementation, customization, training and all in Odoo. So if you are someone who's searching for implementation, I'm welcoming you all to Cybrosys, because we are happy to help you guys.
Yes.
So that's it.
So start your journey with Cybrosys to make your construction management smooth by using Odoo.
Yeah, so if you have any doubts on, any further doubts on how to manage your construction company, not only construction company, other business as well, feel free to contact us. So yeah, that's it, right?
Yes, it's time to wrap.
Yeah. So that was a short, cute video, I guess. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll be back with another video. Till that, bye.
Bye.